We will talk about E21 CPU 1 fault B. Okay, E21 is caused by failure of CPU 1 into the drive. Okay, so to clear, what you can do, you can like power off and on to this your device. Okay, and if like doing this, it is still the same situation, like this issue is not resolving, so there are more and more chances you need to repair your VFD or you need to like replace your VFD. Okay, so for this you can contact to your like supplier to whom you have purchased, so he will help you in this, like he will repair or replace. So only this could solve your issue. If your problem is still not resolved, you can write a mail to us. I will help you to resolve your issue. And second, I can provide you one PDF that will be what on very minimum charge, but that will help you to resolve your future upcoming issues, and it will help you like to get complete training about the VFD.